Review do.
Yo, we out here. Got another delivery from Uniqlo. This is gonna be the Uniqlo White Mountaineering collab. Just came out. I don't have my knife with me, so I have to rip the thing open. I believe White Mountaineering is a Japanese brand. This is a pretty inexpensive jacket. I think it only cost me $1.50 before tax. $1.50 before tax. It's oversized. I'm a big dude. I got double XL. I think I should have gone back down to XL since it's double size. That shit looks kind of fire though. That shit looks kind of fire. They're all White Mountaineering. They ain't cheap. I was trying to get some New Balances from White Mountaineering a few years ago, and those were going for $5 and up, and that was at the discount spot. So they ain't cheap, but yo, this is pretty freaking cheap. Nice Parka. These zippers are nice. Good for the winter time. I thought these would be magnetic, but they're not. What can I expect for $1.50? These pockets down here. I don't know how long this will hold up, but it's okay for $1.50. I was expecting a little less, you know, but it's pretty good for $1.50. All right, y'all. So it's a $149.90. That is cheap. So that's it. White Mountaineering. Smizzy to Lizzy. Subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. I'm always copping something new. Something on the low budget because I'm trying to save up for them Bitcoins. But I'm on that budget tip because I'm trying to get that generational wealth. Shout out to George. Shout out to Cryptos R Us. But yo, White Mountaineering, Uniqlo collab, basic Parka. It's fire though. It is fire though. I'm assuming this sold out everywhere. I got it like right at the drop. But yeah. Actually, when I bought this at the drop, XL was already sold out. That's why I had to get a double XL. All right. Peace.
Review do.